How to sell on Whatnot as a beginner. Hey everybody. If you'd like to start selling on Whatnot as a beginner, you may follow up the steps. So download the application and you can apply to become a seller. For that, once you are logged in, look out for the sell option on the screen in the navigation bar, tap on it, and you can just go ahead and tap on the process of starting. You can continue, complete the seller setup, or you can start the process. So here you just need to go ahead and provide in some details, your name, your address, and your city, state, province, postal code, and etc. You just need to go ahead and approve yourself to get begin as a seller. Tap on next and confirm it. And once this has been completed, you can just head over and list items for sell or go live to sell during a live stream. So you can just head over and list the items that you would like to sell. Prepare for your show by gathering your products and familiarizing yourself with the app's feature. You can just go and look out for different products also are available here. You can just go ahead and pin it if you would like to sell it up. You need to add products to your shop for that and ensure that you have a packing material and a way to print levels. You can use practice using rehearsal mode or running a private stream, and then you can just go over start a live on your account once you have created your selling account, like you have completed a seller profile. And that way you can just go ahead and make your show run as smoothly as possible and start selling products in Whatnot. So therefore, you may follow up this method if you would like to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.